Have you ever had so many troubles trying to close the hinge of your laptops or computers? It just makes you feel very frustrated. Just look at this. It's so hard to close it. See? Well, I do have one solution. First, you gotta open it. Wait, let me just demonstrate you one more time. Yeah, it's definitely not working. Okay, so first, go grab your scissors, and it needs to be not the sharpest one, like it has a curve here. You also need a glue bottle, even though I have glue in here. What else? Oh, red marker. Oh wait, no. Green and red marker. After taking all the fixing materials out, here's the steps. First, push the laptop using the scissor. Why did I put it near a wall? Oh my god, that was so hard. The reason why I'm doing this is because if you do this, the hinge will become more flexible and more loosen up. Next, you have to I don't have sellotape right now, so this is the closest I'm gonna get. You have to stick this red marker with the glue bottle and then just drop it. It will suddenly make the hinge more movable, like this. Alright, lastly, you just need another poking method. Oh, but this time you add some weight. Green marker is actually just backup. You add some weight and then just poke it. And now you have a perfectly closable hinge. See? It's very closable. I am definitely not clickbaiting you guys. Let me show you one more time. Oh, yeah, see? It's closable. Definitely no problem. All you have to do is just follow these 4 steps and you'll be able to fix your laptop/computer's hinge.